Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pancakes. Oh yeah, they're really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find the list of the ingredients and their amounts. In a medium bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and that is optional, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and this is optional as well. Now we will take the whisk these up. You could also just run everything through a sifter if you want. And now in a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 large egg, 3/4 of a cup of milk, whisk that up, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar. Give that a mix. And now 1/2 cup of pure pumpkin puree. And I'm using my homemade pumpkin puree. I just did a video on that. Up there in the corner, the right hand corner, there's an eye. Click on that and you'll find this recipe. Mix this together. So many different pumpkin recipes that you can make with that pumpkin puree. All right, and now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Just add it all in there. And we'll whisk this together. All right, and here we go. The pancake batter is ready to go. And if it's a little bit too thick, just add a little bit extra milk and to thin it out a little bit. All right, so I have the pan set to medium heat on the stovetop, or 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius if you're using a pancake griddle. And I just lightly sprayed the pan with some cooking spray, and then I'm taking a 1/3 cup measuring cup, just pour it right there in the middle, or you could use like up to like a 1/2 cup, depending on how big you want to make your pancakes. Put it right there in the middle and just cook it for about a minute. And what we're going to look for is that we want it to get dull around the edges and then have a few bubbles in the middle. All right, time to check it. It's dull around the edges. There's a few bubbles popping up. Go underneath. There we go. And a lot of times the first side that you do might not look as good. It'll still taste fine whenever you're dealing with oil and depending on the pan that you use. And so you flip it over, and then on this side, just go ahead and cook it for about 25-30 seconds. All right, I'm gonna come in and check this side. Look at that, nice and golden brown on that side. Perfect, that's what you wanna see. And just go ahead and put those on a plate. And then we'll cook up the rest of these. And you don't have to spray it every time. All right, and then just serve it how you normally would pancakes, however you like to do it. I put some butter on there that's already melted. Put a little bit of maple syrup, or you can use other fruit syrups. Whatever you want to do, totally up to you. And then come in here with the powdered sugar. And there we go. Homemade pumpkin pancakes made with fresh homemade pure pumpkin puree. All right, we'll just come in here. Yeah. And there you go. Pretty awesome. Amazing. All right, the pumpkin pancakes are done and turned out fantastic. This recipe makes about 6 to 8 pancakes, depending on the size that you make them. I was able to get 8 pancakes this time. They're really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah.